Hi, good morning everybody. Sunday morning, everybody is at home in the family. So let us make something interesting, but it should not be oily also, and it should be tasty. So we will make whole wheat bread samosas with the aloo and mutton stuffing, and the base will be of bread, and I'm going to grill it. I'm not going to oil it. The ingredients that are required to make this bread samosa will be, I will need 3 to 4 potatoes which I am going to boil, peel and mash them. Then I need a handful of peas which I am going to boil and keep them aside. Then some green chilies, ginger, garlic, lemon juice, chaat masala, salt, pepper and jeera powder. That will be for the garnishing. And I will also require coriander leaves and a little bit of ghee for just a little ghee to grease on the pan that I will be using to grill the samosas. So let us begin with the process. To make the samosas, for the filling I require 2 to 3 potatoes which I have boiled and I am going to mash them. Then I need a cup of peas which I have boiled, ginger, garlic and green chili paste which I have ground in the mixer, juice of 1 lemon and some dry fruits, that is kaju and kishmish, which I have soaked in water to make it soft. I am not going to fry anything, we are going to grill the samosas. I need 5 to 6 bread slices, as many samosas you want to make. Whole wheat bread I am using, which I am going to flatten and use it and cut the sides. Now let us begin with the procedure. I have mashed the potatoes, added the peas to it and the dry fruits and the paste, that is ginger, garlic and green chili paste, and I mixed it all up. Now I will add salt as per taste. Don't add too much salt because bread also has little salt in it. So do it properly accordingly. Then I will add dhania powder as per taste, red chili powder if you require, chaat masala, this also has salt in it, little bit of ground jeera which is roasted and ground. Now mix all this up. Roast little sabut jeera, add that also, and little bit of ajwain, add that. अजवाइन इज गुड फॉर डाइजेशन, तो गैस नहीं आएगी. वैसे रोस्टेड होगा तो गैस आएगी नहीं. आई एम एडिंग लिटिल कसूरी मेथी, दैट इज सूखी मेथी. आई हैव क्रश्ड इट विद माय palm and I have added it to this because it gives a nice taste and aroma. And I am going to add juice of half a lemon. Take a slice. I have used this whole wheat bread. I am going to cut the edges, all 4 sides, and then flatten it with a rolling pin. Shape it like a cone. Now make the filling and then close the edges. I have added the filling to this, and in case you want to close the edges, just apply a little water at the ends and then close the edges. Heat a pan and apply some oil in the pan. Take cooking oil, or you can take desi ghee, you can take butter or mix butter and oil, whatever you prefer, and then grease it on all sides with a brush or a cloth, and little bit you can add extra in the center, and then place the samosa pieces. Let them grill nicely on both sides. Keep turning them until they are nicely brown and done. Bread absorbs oil, so be careful, don't add too much oil to the pan, otherwise it will absorb all the oil and it will become very oily. They are roasting very well. I am making 3 pieces per person. This is samosa, bread samosa made with whole wheat flour, and stuffing is of boiled potatoes, boiled peas and all the spices, and little bit of nuts like kaju and kishmish. Do try this, and along with this I have used date and imli ki chutney. Do try this recipe and let me know how it is. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Do like, comment and share this video if you feel like, and let me know how you like the samosas. Thanks a lot. They are looking very nice and crispy, and they are very yummy from the inside also. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel and have a good Sunday. Enjoy yourself. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Keep safe, keep healthy, and keep smiling. They are nicely roasted one side, so now I'm going to turn it to the other side. There's no need to use much oil because bread absorbs oil. तो ज़्यादा ऑयल डालोगे तो वो ब्रेड में चला जाएगा and then it will become oily, and अब oily breakfast is definitely not liked by anybody early morning.